Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. Like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and room category 2. Talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several things on the why you will take we will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel,